Can
Did
invite
you
you.
invite me? Did you invite me? Did you invite me? Oh my god.
Shut the fuck up.
Un commando, un commando.
Un commando?
A commando. Oh, we all go commando?
I mean, yeah.
Of course.
What do you mean, are we? Like,
We always do.
No?
No?
We are not going to
That's
play the
how to
best
win.
champion of the
Okay.
game.
oh my god, there's quite a bit of enemies.
You think? Well, they're already dead. Not even.
Que quita más la escopeta es de su puta casa, tío. Es una escopeta.
Dude, they
Oh,
go
is this
like-
good? Avoid flame.
Yes,
Okay.
I think.
Oops,
Better than
I
not
don't know.
having it.
Lassimo, tú eres. Me pagas un cofre ahora, cabrón.
I got original, guys!
No,
No!
I'm not playing command.
Super idol.
Super villano.
Super algo dicen yo.
Oh,
Lo que acaba de pasar
creo que
puto asco, pero...
What happened? What happened?
whenever he prints something,
Right,
and there's a
then,
printer, it's like facing the void.
That happened to
and
me,
and it falls to the.
but the
to
print. Bro, Ruja has so much money and he's not using it for fucking anything.
I know. No, because he's not gonna know how to run. Roger, pero deja de intentarlo. No
There's
lo
no
vas a
point, it's
conseguir.
gonna be the same.
¿Qué dices, gilipollas? Que he abierto un cofre y me ha tocado el mismo ítem de antes, que es una
Ah,
puta
vale.
basura y por eso lo he tirado.
Vale, vale.
Yo,
Bueno,
I should
¿dónde
print
está
that, I
el portal?
think.
Caído.
Black hole sauce among us. I'm a crewmate. It's the
Do you
best
know
song of
the
all
Among
time.
Us song lyrics?
Yeah, it's awesome.
Best song ever?
Guys, I'm like doing all the damage, just like.
No, I'm doing everything, but I'm like in the distance here. You don't see it. Holy shit,
syringe
okay.
printer. Honestly,
I hate the laser.
Jesse. Oh, laptop Daisy, let's go.
Yeah, my favorite item. But it's actually pretty good.
It did save my life multiple times.
Yeah. Better than the red item,
The what red item?
the one that revives.
Nah.
Yeah,
No, way,
better.
no,
Yeah,
no,
yes
fuck.
way. Yes way.
No, because if I die at Mithrix, then what happens? Nish. Okay?
No, because okay, how do you get to Mithrix?
Teleporter.
And what do you heal? What does Lepton Daisy heal?
Teleporter, but when you fight
No.
Mithrix, the hardest part? Like
Well,
with the
no one cares about Mithrix, easiest boss
or
ever.
Voidling? Just saying.
Okay, Voidling.
Well, no one does Voidling,
Also
so.
pretty easy.
No, no one
Yeah,
does
how
Voidling.
how did they fucked up so hard with the boss?
True. Honestly.
I think it's the worst part of the update.
No, because they said it, it's like.
Esa portal, cuando
It's like
acabe, no le
they-
deis.
No. Okay, yeah. They said it. They just made the boss like super hard, just to make it super hard. So like.
No, but
Very
it
bullshit.
doesn't have. Okay, but
Yeah,
with
it's not very
Mithrix, you at least. Mithrix has something to it.
Jack, what
gets
did I
it.
just get out of a Shrine of Chance that you didn't get?
No
The-
fucking
yeah.
way.
The best stage one, just saying. This
Pretty
is
good.
why you have to gamble, by the way. Shrine of the Mountain?
Okay, hit it. Hit it. No balls. Good.
So many balls.
I love balls. ¿Alguien me ayuda con lo del vacío?
Okay, I'm coming.
Okay, no, I don't want your help. I can do this
Oh
by
my god,
myself.
wow, so Mr. Cool now. No, oh my god.
I'm Mr. Streamer. C'est
Which-
l'air?
It's called using your R, by the way. But
I used it before,
Shut
so
the
I couldn't
fuck
use
up.
it anymore.
look, boom!
Do
Bro,
you,
are
have the
you?
other, do you have the other M2? I don't think so.
I do have the other M2. What do you
You
mean?
don't have it.
Look,
You don't
look,
like it.
boom!
Holy. Okay, bye bye.
Holy fuck.
Holy. Y vale, sí, en esta zona hay un montón de cofres. Pero un montón de golems. Venga, deu.
Imagine dying.
I'm not dying. I have a ball. I have the egg item. Cabrón, ¿cómo no te estás muriendo?
Skill.
Yeah. Skill yourself.
Anyway, guys, let's do the portal. It's
Yep.
kind of
Kinda late.
we're kind of leading. Okay, come on, why is it taking so slow to kill him? No,
Look at all the items.
I almost died, It's fucking, are you joking? Are you fucking
I love Ignition Tank.
all this for nothing?
Okay, go do your stupid thing, stupid like you. You're stupid.
Okay, bison stick, monster tooth. or stun grenade. Wow, what a okay, you can hit the
Bison stick. I'm taking bison stick for the win. Best item in the game, no diff.
Oh my god.
Only Jesus Marcel!
Marcel!
New computer, bro.
What?
New computer.
¿Qué te pasa en la voz, Marcel? ¿Te han dado un golpe en la garganta y no puedes respirar o algo?
No, pero.
No!
Pero, Discord Rain está para Mac.
No.
No.
¿Has comprado un Mac?
Sí,
You are
¿Por
so
qué?
stupid.
¿Por
para
qué?
trabajar solo y el Discord, gente.
Pero para trabajar es una mierda el Mac.
To be a Discord mod or what?
Si tengo un Windows, tengo la tentación de jugar a videojuegos. En cambio, en un Mac es más difícil, gente.
Well then why did he ask us Risk Raid for Mag? Just so you could play games again?
Porque puedes jugar como monstruo, what the fuck.
Monster! How did I feel?
Sí. What? Oh my god.
You're so bad, honestly.
Shut up, Gillian.
Busted key, let's go.
Oh, you're not even able to kill a rat with a shotgun?
Shut up. I'll kill you any day, get it because you're a rat.
No.
I'm just gonna get this for the sake of it.
Oh.
How to die? Literally how to die in 5 seconds tutorial.
Infinite HP.
Infinite skill. Okay, but like these items I'm getting. Look at you, fucking loser. Okay, next stage I let you like all the items, I guess. Are you grateful?
I'm
You should
very
be
grateful. I am on God.
Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. I hate the fucking, oh my god. Infinite money glitch.
Infinite money?
Bro, they get like infinite healing. Holy fuck.
How do you have when you died yet?
Skill.
I mean, I don't cheat in achievements, eh?
Wow, you spent like 5 hours to get that one Rex achievement where you have to push a Dune Strider in a fucking pit on a specific stage. How?
Dude, I literally. Okay, it's not even that hard. I think I did it in my second try.
That's too
Stupid.
much. That's like 10 minutes. Opening the notepad is like a minute long.
Oh my god, 10 minutes.
Look, I just want to have fun.
Yeah, what? Oh. Okay, what if I do it? Because I don't have any items.
Bro, don't fucking tell me. It's okay
I'm
because
gonna tell you.
I do everything for you, okay?
Okay, I'm gonna hit the shrine
Fucking
of order.
stubby little
I've
baby
never,
bitch.
I've never hit a shrine of order. Sí, mira cuántos ítems tiene el Kirill y mira cuántos tengo yo, ¿sabes?
Sí, que ella tiene suerte ya no.
No, it's called dying. Direct died last stage. And...
No, I didn't. You stole everything from me.
No, for sure.
Yeah.
Okay, but
yeah,
there's
you
like
did.
so many items, you're not picking any
I'm
of them.
going, dude. I'm
Look,
arriving.
there.
Eso de comprarse un ordenador y que sea un Mac es bastante.
Pero es verdad, Marcel es la... Dude, quiero ver que...
Yeah.
Hay que esa excusa sea que como tiene
Pues, ¿es
Xbox
there?
Game Pass.
Yes.
Sí, es que...
Ay, mierda, tío.
Es buena.
He
es
said
buena.
I have an addiction to games, and he's like, is Risk in for Mac, bruh. Goofy on Marcel. Look, Yak, I'll buy this energy drink for you, okay?
Dude, I telling you, I don't have any money. Stupid.
Just tell me, buy it for me.
No. Okay, I think I should save up for this zone because I really like it.
Bruh,
It's very. It
fuck
looks
off.
like. What? You're not spending your money on anything now.
Because I don't have enough.
Fucking zone.
Look,
Oh,
there's
you-
another chest there. There's another chest
Look,
there.
look. I'm gonna get you enough money. Boom. That's it. Not even trying.
What the fuck did he just do?
Kill a lot of rats.
Did he just money launder? That's illegal. You better call Saul.
I don't care about illegal things, dude.
Look, get
I'm
this
getting rich.
chest.
I'm not. It's too late.
Who's gonna get the Shadow Spleen? Me!
Who's gonna get the crit? Okay. What? No
happened?
fucking way, dude.
What happened?
You know those balls the blue guys drop?
Yeah.
You killed one of them and I stepped on the ball and all of my health went bye-bye. And also, someone, like a fire guy hit me.
Are you fucking joking?
Whoa,
I got killed by a bison out of all the...
Out of all of that?
Bro, how?
The thing you eat? Come on,
Nah, let's
man.
play Fortnite. Nah, let's play Fortnite. Nah, let's
Nah,
play
nah,
Fortnite.
what?
Let's play Fortnite.
No way, dude, no way.